So file, new Java project. Under the Java project, specify the new session. Click next, click finish. Don't create any module under that. Just click on don't create. Under the new session, right click on that, go to new, click on the package. Now specify the package name is day one. Click finish. Okay, na?
Okay.
Under the day one, right click on that, go to new, click on the class. Now this is your project name, this is your package name, and the class name is first Firefox underscore Amazon page. Okay, na? Now whenever you want to compile a Java program, there should be a main method. What is your main method? Is public static void main is a main method. If you haven't selected this option, there is no main method, you cannot compile the Java program. So public static void main string arguments and click finish. Right? The program is being opened. Right? Now, so package name is day one. Day one is your package name. What is the class name? Firefox and Firefox underscore Amazon. Okay, now. So first I'm going to, this is a main method. Under that, if you want to print something like, we use system dot out dot println welcome to Selenium. Okay, Selenium, that is a printer. So just when you want to compile it, run as Java application. Okay, na? So this is how you're going to print a statement in Java. Okay, system dot out dot println is a statement. Now if you want to put this as a comment, just use /. Okay.
Okay.
Now for example, I written some values. I don't want to execute all these lines, right? Just /* and ends with the star slash. Okay, na? Ends with the star slash. So automatically these lines will not be executed.
Executed.
Okay. Now, when you want to work with the Firefox or any browser, there should be some drivers, right? So those drivers will be from Selenium Server Standalone. The Selenium Server Standalone will identifies or it gets the methods and drivers. When you install your driver, we need to set the path. When you want to work with these methods, we need to have your jar file. Okay, you want to have a jar file. So what I can do, just right click on the project, go to the properties, Java build path, libraries, class path, add external jars, and select your jar file. What is your jar file? Selenium server. Click apply and close. That's all. So on the right hand side, you can identify a folder called as reference libraries. When you click on that, you can find this is the jar file which has been added into your project. Okay, na? Okay, so these are all the jar files. Now, so when you want to work with the Firefox, we need to create an object for the Firefox itself. So we need to create an object for Firefox. 1 second. Okay. 1 second. So I'm going to create a new Word document, and at that I'm going to work on Firefox. My scenario is test scenario. Opening Firefox browser. Okay, Firefox browser. Navigate to Amazon page. Get the title comma, URL of the page, close the browser. Okay, na? Close the browser. That is my scenario.
Browser.
This is my first scenario. So normally you used to
Oh.
write the test cases using manual, right? Right.
Yes.
We are going to write, just click on the icon, Firefox to the browser, the page browser should open, click and type http://amazon.com and click on the search button. The Amazon page should open, right? Those are the things which are going to write manually, right? Now, if
Yes,
you are
sir.
going to work on a Firefox, first there should be a driver for a Firefox. So we are using the older version, right? It doesn't have any driver.
Yes.
So we can write Firefox driver, some variable equal to new Firefox driver, right?
Okay.
New Firefox driver.
Right.
Now see, when you place the cursor, so 1 second, there is a error is here. Now place the cursor here. See, import. We need to import the jar file. Which file? Firefox driver.
Firefox.
org.openq selenium Firefox. Right? Similarly, change to Firefox driver org.openq selenium Firefox. See? Automatically it is
Okay.
imported. Right? Already
Okay.
it's been imported. Already it's been imported.
Imported.
It is imported. Okay. So already it's been imported. So now, once imported, what is the variable I've been created?
D.
D lemundi Firefox on a browser on the matter. Now D dot. Now what is the method which you want to work? Did I cover methods? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are the methods we are having?
Get title.
Navigate to
Get up. Yes, sir.
navigate to maximize.
And title, navigator.
Any other things? I think I haven't covered all the methods, right?
Only 5. Yes, sir.
Only 5 methods. Okay, no problem. So now, web driver methods. The first one is get method. Second one is navigate.
Navigate.
Go to method. Third one is maximize window. Third one is get title. Okay. Next one is get current URL. Okay.
Yeah.
Get current URL. Next, we can use forward. Forward method is there. Back method is there.
Close word ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
What's sir? Back, forward, close, quit. Okay. Next, find element, find elements. Next, find elements. Next, we can have quit, close, forward, refresh. So these are all the methods which are having, right? Find element, get method is to invoke an application. Invoke an application. Same thing, this is also for invoke an application. Invoke an application. Maximize is to maximize the current window. Current window. Get title to get the current page title. To get the current page.
Right.
Next, to get the current page URL. Okay, current page URL. Next, to move to next page. Syntax is object dot navigate dot forward. ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? Forward. Okay, sir. Next, back method to move to next page. To move to previous page. Okay. So object dot what we can do is just We can write as object dot back. Okay, na? Object dot back. Okay, na, sir? Oh, 1 second.
Okay,
Forward back, I written price, right? So that's why it is showing error. Find element. Find elements. Next. Refresh. Next. Quit. Close. Okay, na? Quit. Close. Now,
close.
find element is to capture a particular element from the window. So now find elements to capture multiple elements from the window. Ante drop down elements, radio buttons, check boxes, links, number of buttons. In that case, we used to go for find elements. Single element, find element. Okay, na?
Okay.
That syntax I'll tell you later. So refresh to refresh the current page. Refresh the current page. So
Current page.
object dot refresh. Object dot refresh. Now quit function. Quit is to close all the browsers. To close all the browsers or windows. Close is to close the current window. Close the current window.
Current window.
So syntax would be object dot quit. Object dot quit.
Quit.
Similarly, for this is object dot close. That's all. So these are all the methods which we need to work on WebDriver. Okay. Now here, first point, the first question is, first scenario is opening through browser. I want to work on that. So I already mentioned the browser name. D dot. Actually had. So D dot. So we'll find small letters. D dot get. What is the page? HTTP colon / Amazon.com. You know?
Okay.
Now, once the page is open, now I want to maximize the window. D dot manage dot window dot maximize. Window dot maximize. Once it is maximized, I want to get the title of the page. So for that, string A equal to D dot get title. Okay, na? D dot get title, sir. So we use system dot out dot println A. So automatically, whatever the title I'm going to store, that variable I'm going to capture, that the title will be stored in the variable A, and I'm going to print A. So the A will comes as title of the page. Next. So I'm going to use string B equal to D dot get a current URL. Okay, na? So system dot out dot println of B. Now once it is over, now I want to close the close. So D dot close. Okay, na? So for your understanding, you can write just comment. So opening Chrome browser. Okay, na? So
Okay.
for a few days, just you can write in this way. So navigating to Amazon page. Next. Next one is maximizing current window. Okay, after that, get the title of the page. Title of the page.
Page.
Now, once they get the title of the page, now I want to get the
Current URL.
URL of the current page. Current page. Okay, so this is closing the window. Closing the window. That's all. So I'm going to run the program. Now run as. See, your Firefox is opening. Image on page. It will maximize it. Close. Sir, title URL. Okay, na? Got it?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆ పేజ్ ఓపెన్ అయిపోయి అంటే మాక్సిమం అయిపోయింది.
Maximize అయిపోయి title URL close అయిపోతుంది.
Close కూడా
They are performing,
okay.
they are not performing any other operations, right?
Okay.
See, observe this. Opening, loading the page, maximizing, closing. That's
Okay.
okay. So this is how you are going to. So just if you want to work on different pages, just copy. I'm going to copy that. Next to test scenario. Opening Chrome browser, Firefox browser. Navigate to Google page. Get the title, URL of the page.